You probably know that getting your MuleSoft certification is important to enhancing your integration skills, but still don't really know the real benefits to why you should do it.
Hello everyone, this is Whitney Akinola, and I want to tell you about my personal MuleSoft certification experience. What are the benefits of certification? They can help increase your salary. I was able to increase my salary by double once I got certified. And then I was able to go up the career ladder for an integration engineer. So it really changed my career trajectory to a trending one. The other benefit to this was being able to back up my work with my credentials. Not only did I have the credentials, but I had the experience. When I was a part of a consultant firm, it really gave me credibility in my career, and I found that people listened to what I had to say, because certification and experience is the best way to go.
Integration Quest is offering MuleSoft certification prep workshops to help you prepare for your MuleSoft certifications. Our certification preparation workshops are designed to provide the knowledge and practice you need to excel in the exam. During the workshop, you will gain a solid foundation in core MuleSoft concepts related to your exam. Participate in live, expert-led instruction to guide you through essential topics. Have on-demand access to your workshop session. Receive proven demonstrations of relevant Mule development in action to validate concepts. And you will learn about exam preparation logistics and strategies. Don't just aim to pass the exam. Master the skills. This course is your one-stop solution for becoming a MuleSoft expert. Seats are limited, so register today to reserve your spot.